We're doing a head-to-head comparison of two popular portable power stations, the ALLPOWERS Portable Power Station R600 and the Bluetti EB55 Refurbished. These are both great options for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and anyone who wants to stay powered on the go. But which one is right for you? In this video, we'll be taking a close look at the specs, features, and performance of each power station. We'll also be sharing our thoughts on which one is the better value for money. So, let's get started. First, let's take a look at the specs of each power station. The ALLPOWERS R600 has a capacity of 209 WR, while the Bluetti EB55 Refurbished has a capacity of 537 WR. That means the Bluetti EB55 Refurbished can store more power and run your devices for longer. However, the ALLPOWERS R600 has a higher continuous power output of 600 W compared to the Bluetti EB55 Refurbished's 700 W. This means that the ALLPOWERS R600 can power more demanding devices, such as microwaves and small refrigerators. Both power stations have a variety of output ports, including AC outlets, USB ports, and DC ports. The ALLPOWERS R600 also has a wireless charging pad, which is a nice bonus. In terms of performance, both power stations are pretty evenly matched. They can both power a variety of devices for several hours. However, the Bluetti EB55 Refurbished has a longer lifespan, with 500 plus cycles to 80% capacity, compared to the ALLPOWERS R600's 3,500 plus cycles. This means that the Bluetti EB55 Refurbished will last longer before needing to be replaced. The ALLPOWERS R600 is typically priced around $250, while the Bluetti EB55 Refurbished is typically priced around $300. You can check the links in video description. So, which power station is the better value for money? If you're on a tight budget, the ALLPOWERS R600 is a good option. It offers good performance for the price. However, if you want a power station with more capacity, a longer lifespan, and more features, the Bluetti EB55 Refurbished is the better option, even though it is slightly more expensive. Ultimately, the best portable power station for you depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a powerful and affordable option, the ALLPOWERS R600 is a great choice. If you want a more versatile and durable option, the Bluetti EB55 Refurbished is the better choice. I hope this video has helped you decide which portable power station is right for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. And if you have any questions about portable power stations, leave a comment below. Which portable power station are you thinking of getting? Let me know in the comments below.